Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove users from Facebook ads. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to remove someone's access to your ad assets by removing them from your Meta Business portfolio. You'll need admin access to the business to complete this. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in on a desktop browser and that you know exactly which person you want to remove, because this action cuts off their access to ad accounts, pages, and other connected assets. Start by opening Meta Business Suite. You can do this by going to the business homepage in your browser. Once it loads, look to the top left area of the screen for the business or page selector. Click there and make sure you're working in the correct business. If you manage multiple brands or pages, this is important. Removing someone in the wrong place can affect the wrong team. Next, click the small settings gear. It's usually on the left sidebar or near the bottom of the navigation. This opens your business settings, where user management lives. In the settings panel, find and click people. You'll see a list of everyone who currently has access to your business, along with their roles and the assets they can use. Click the person you intend to remove, so their details appear on the right. With that person selected, look for the More button or the three dots icon near their name or in the upper right of their details panel. Click it to open additional actions. From the menu, choose Remove from Business Portfolio. This is the option that fully revokes access to your business assets, including ad accounts, pages, pixels, and catalogs. Take a brief moment to double check you've selected the correct individual. If you think you might need to re-add them later, consider noting which assets they had access to so you can restore the right permissions if needed. A confirmation window will appear. Click Remove to finalize. The system will process the change, and within moments the person will lose access to your Facebook ads and any other assets in this business. If you still see their name immediately after, refresh the page to update the list. A few closing tips. If you don't see the Remove option, you likely don't have admin privileges. Ask a business admin to perform the removal. If your goal was only to limit access to certain ad accounts rather than remove the person entirely, you can adjust their asset permissions instead. Regularly reviewing your people list helps keep your ad environment secure and compliant. That's it. Your user has been removed safely from your Facebook ads.